All right, let's look into Polygon Matic. What's happening with the Matic's price? Where are we going in the immediate short term? You guys know, massive bloodbath across the board. So what is going on with Polygon Matic's price? What are some next price targets we could be expecting in the immediate short term? So let's get right into it. Looking at the price of Polygon Matic, currently trading at $1.03. We're down about 4.7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're up about 0.4% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Market cap is currently sitting at $9.3 billion, so we have seen the market cap go below that $10 billion mark, and that is something we do need to keep in mind. And the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $687 million. But now let's get right into the analysis and make it, quite short for you guys to tell you guys what is to be expected in the immediate short term for the price of Polygon Matic. But before I do get into that, as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So you guys can see we were hovering in the previous update that I made you guys, we were being supported by this level of resistance, which was prior to the FTX collapse. But today, as I've said to you guys, and I'll say it again, look what has happened with the price of Bitcoin. Gone below 22K mark, gone below the previous higher low, and now we are sitting at some levels that don't hold too much support in my personal opinion. And at this rate, $19,000 Bitcoin could be on the table, which I was telling you guys about literally over the past 1 week. This level of support at 22K mark is extremely important, and we have gone below it, and I have turned bearish. That's how important this level really is for myself. But now, with that being said, with keeping that factor in mind, if we look at Matic, if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, Matic has dropped about 11% since then. And right now we are being supported by these levels of resistances prior to this. Now obviously are playing as a level of support for us. So that's exactly where we're finding the price to be at. You cannot make this up right now. If I am even bringing out the hourly time frame, you guys can see, give you guys a better picture as to what really is going on. This was a massive level of resistance before, and now fast forward, we're seeing the price literally sitting at those levels. But now comes the question, are we about to see Polygon Matic see something like this where it could retest that dollar mark? If I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, in order for us to retest that dollar level of support is about 2.46% away, and that is highly likely right now. But I'm very impressed to see the price holding around these levels. Again, this is a level of resistance which is playing as a level of support, so that is nice to see. But we could see dollar Matic once again if BTC goes below this range, especially below $20,455 level. We could definitely see a Matic retest that level. And this time around, I want to see personally this level hold, because this is an extremely important level of support for the price of Polygon Matic. I've said this for the longest time. But if this does not hold, there is an opportunity for the price of Polygon on the worst case scenario in the immediate short term to fall down to that 92.6 cents mark. So that is currently the factor we do need to keep in mind. Remember guys, Bitcoin is the king of the market. I keep telling you guys this. We do need to focus on, we always need to focus on the price of Bitcoin on a daily basis, because that's the king of the markets, and obviously the global economy news that can affect the markets. And that's what we're seeing happen right now. If you guys watch my other urgent update on Bitcoin, I've explained as to what really is going on right now and what is affecting the markets. But this should be a learning lesson for the newcomers, guys. I know there's a lot of new money flowing into the markets. If you're new to the markets, always learn to lock in profits. I cannot stress this enough. When I was telling people to lock in profits around here, I hope some people did, because at the end of the day, these markets can go up so fast, but they can also go down because they're not regulated, and there's a lot of manipulation that can occur. They can turn over the markets very, very fast as well. But you guys know my stance on Polygon Matic. I'm projecting at this project in this next bull cycle to be one of the biggest projects in the space in terms of ROI. And remember, this is already a high cap coin. So if we're comparing the high cap coins, I think Polygon Matic is going to have an impressive run, but again, only time is going to tell. But these are some factors we do need to keep in mind right now in the immediate short term. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.